Alright, some of you guys might watch some of these YouTube videos or any other videos and wonder how some of these guys get so strong. Well, you might be thinking, I like to do that, but I can't do that many pull-ups or push-ups or whatever it is. Well, I'm going to run you through a sample workout. It's going to be a pyramid. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is pull-ups, push-ups, and sit-ups. Now, let's say, for example, you know that you can do 5 pull-ups. Alright? Well, 5 is going to be the top of your pyramid. So you're going to start at 1. Then you're going to do push-ups. And let's say you know that you can do at least 10 push-ups. So let's make it a little bit harder, and we'll do 2 for the first one. And then the same with sit-ups. You do 2. So we're going to go 1 with the pull-ups, 2 with the push-ups, 2 with the sit-ups. Then 2 all the way on through. All the way up to 5 pull-ups. Then we're going to come back down the pyramid. Let's get started.
Boy steady bitch, talking down on a nigga name. I'ma hit the boulevard with wood grain. 19 gon' be turning, got the wood sturning. Joe in the back, got the chronic and it's burning. Smoking chronic deep out the hole. Big pole, sipping on the aid, I left the pole. I'ma cut mine, sipping deuce. Let me 3-wheel pole on hot juice. Sideways, boys in the days. On a Sunday night, I might bring me some maize. Baby OJs, oh they going crazy. Some say I'm lazy, wanna have my baby. Ain't gon' get me locked down, I can't get locked. Pull my Glock, I'ma come down. Hustling rocks on my block, cause they gon' pay. Wanna make my fitty, keep the beat steady. Drop on the belly. Make your trunk wave, keep your corner paid. Make that trunk wave from the cradle to the grave. Me and screw you, what you wanna do? Let me come down, Pojo got his crew. Got my whole clique, got to come down. I'm away drunk, I'ma gone so survive. I'ma hit on the dice, gotta keep it nice. Bringing spice, riding in the breath blaze. And we popped up twice, wood stripped out the door. Letting them boys know I'm a hot body with the crease in my clothes. Chain on my neck, rocks up on my wrist. Dirt up in my wrist, got a partner named Chris. Moving keys, let me chop them down. In my safe, I got a key and a pine. Pine of the weed, got a quarter ounce. I had to hit the boulevard, they would drop vines. I had the 3-wheel on the road. Let them boys know I'ma hit the boulevard slow and tiptoe. With that boy Clement, yellow bone women. Got to come through, real sexy, not skinny. Don't want no big fat bitch. Can't let that hoe ride with me on the switch. Gotta be player, gotta be a star. I'ma let you smoke a weed, sip on the bar. We gon' do it right, get a room later. Ain't no hater, can't fader. Hit the boulevard when the bounce rocket skater. I'ma crowd like a gator, got my grill. Let me come through, pint bottle steady seal. Sitting in my phone, cases got cold. Had to come down, got a partner named Walt. That's that boy Walter, I done had a daughter. Rocked up a quarter through on my damn starter. It done got cold, money done unfold. Let me come down with the wood mo. That's the wood wheel, I'ma pop a pill. House on the hill, got my mind on the meal. On a mission trying to get rich, time to hit a switch. Let me come down, all for a nasty bitch. All up in the face, riding got bass. Late night on the what screw with the grace. Acting bad with the judge, Joe on the cut. Got that PAT, finna slap another slut. Lil Kiki, they KK in that house. Boy be talking down, now watch this boy walking. That's that boy Bird, Prop 73rd. Letting them boys know we going fed, what you heard. Got that little 3 and the dance off that body. Got that boy Joe thinking played in Maserati. Got that screw zoo, banging behind tent. Windows tinted, I'm a slow fuck the speed limit. Let them boys know flip on, I be folding up. Filling them before I ride with petroleum. I got a ride on board, got the bring the noise. Real McCoy, gotta hit me a lick in Detroit. Some in Alabama, some down in Asia. I'ma do right, move my cheese on my pager. Beats 18, 735 was green, 10 green. I be shooting my machine like a trained marine. I'm on a mission with my weapon. When a nigga steppin', nigga ain't no peppin' in my corner. Cause you's a goner. I'm smoking marijuana. Broke a mouth when I snatched my diploma. I walked across the stage. I turned the page. No more minimum wage. And my corner got paid. Kept petty, kept steady. My partner named Reggie. I'm 330, so niggas say I'm heavy. Hitting real hard. Never did broad. Fat ass nigga will fuck the yellow boy. Or you black or you brown. I let my top down. Swinging in my diamond on the side. In my mind. From the side, what you talking about? The haters rolling up, so I got my Glock high. I ain't no hoe, let them know. I'm finna erupt like a volcano. Me and my partner Zano, Run G. It's the run steady smoking ganja. I'ma come down, bunch of money, bouncing like a bunny. I'm bouncing like a rabbit. Boys wanna have it. Breaking boys off 2 times, dag nabbit, let me hurt 'em. The hater hurt 'em. On a mission, I got to come down, knocked off a politician, knocked off a judge, knocked off a lawyer. Now I'm coming down, I hooked up with Tom Sawyer, hooked up with some boys back in the game. I'ma show them boys, throw my picture in the frame. Ain't gon' be lame, a partner named Shane. I'ma cause pain, Joe Cutting against the crane. Don't play me up, get a nigga so snappy. Got a bitch, yellow bone boy, yes she happy. Watch that moyo, been her so low. I'ma come through till my grass starting to grow. Out the back door, that nigga named Pokey. I'm coming out the south side, representing the 3. I'm coming down, player May, and you know I'm real. I'm down out the south, down to pop me a pill. I'm rolling wood grain down that South Main.
Alright guys, that was just a sample workout. Normally I'll go all the way up to 8, maybe 10 on my pull-ups. Pick a number on my push-ups. Then I repeat that same process for a total of 3 times, with about a 2-minute break in between each cycle. Okay? Now, see you guys next time for the next video. Never stop growing, never stop trying, never give up. See you.